ocean explorers! Welcome to our underwater wonderland. We're so happy you're here to visit our beautiful ocean home. I'm Foongee. And I'm Okra. Okra, haven't we just had the most amazing playtime? We sure did. But wait, what's this? Oh no! It looks like some of our ocean and human friends left some trash behind. Well, Foongee and I have an important job to do today, and we need your help. Time for a treasure hunt. But it's a trash treasure hunt. Let's work together to make our ocean sparkly clean again. Are you ready to be a cleanup hero with us? Let's dive in and get started. Together, we can clean up this ocean super fast. Foongee the yellow seahorse and Okra the green sea turtle are zipping around and leaving trails of sparkling water. Toys, seashells, star-shaped blocks, and colorful seaweed ribbons are scattered all over the sandy seafloor. We built a giant sand castle. We played hide and seek among the coral, and even pretended we were deep-sea explorers. Look at all the fun we had. It was fantastic. But now, look at our beautiful ocean floor. It's a little messy, isn't it? Our toy seashells are over there. The blocks are over here, and the seaweed ribbons are all tangled up. Oh my! Foongee, you're right. Playing is super fun, but when we're finished, there's one more important job to do. Friends, do you know what it is? It's cleanup time. Friends, that's right. It is cleanup time. Cleaning up is like a fun game that helps us take care of our home and our toys. It shows we respect our space and everything in it. Plus, it means our toys won't get lost or stepped on. Ouch! Exactly. And it makes our next playtime even better because we'll know where everything is. So, let's make a plan. How about I gather all the star-shaped blocks, and you, Okra, can collect all the seashells? Sounds like a super sea turtle plan. Let's get started. We can sing a fun song while we clean. It goes like this. Clean up, everybody, everywhere. Clean up, clean up. Show our ocean that we care. Come on, sing with us. We're cleaning up, tossing toys into a big treasure chest. Look, we're putting all the blocks in the blue bin, and Okra is carefully placing the delicate seashells into the red basket. See how fast it is when we work together. Tidying up can be a team adventure. We are almost done. Just a few more seaweed ribbons to roll up. Foongee, look at our beautiful coral reef now. Wow! It's so sparkly and clean. It feels so good to have everything back in its proper place. High five, Okra. Friends, thank you for helping us remember how important it is to clean up. Look, Okra, here comes Crimi the Crab. Crimi Crab began to sing. Clean up, clean up. Join in and sing along with me. Clickety-clack. What's all this talk about being clean and tidy? That's my favorite subject. I heard you did a wonderful job cleaning up your toys. That's splendid. We sure did. We were just about to have a yummy seaweed snack to celebrate. A snack? Oh, I love snacks. But wait just a minute. Before we eat, there's something very important we must do. After playing and before eating, we need to make sure we are clean, too. Oh, I know! We should wash our fins and flipper. Foongee, our friends the ocean explorers should wash their hands before eating. Precisely. Our hands and fins touch everything when we play. They can pick up sand, dirt, and tiny little germs we can't even see. To stay healthy and strong, we need to wash them away before we eat. It's a super duper important rule. You're so right, Crimi. So, how do we do it properly? Show us the Crimi Crab way. With pleasure. First, you get your hands, fins, or claws wet with clean, bubbly water. Then, you add a little bit of sea foam soap. Now for the fun part. You have to scrub a dub-dub. Rub your palms together, get between your fingers, wash the backs of your hands, and don't forget your thumbs. Crimi, how long should we scrub for? A great question. You should scrub for as long as it takes to sing the clean-up song twice. It goes like this. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Bubbles everywhere. Scrub, scrub, scrub your claws. Get them nice and fair. Bubbles, bubbles, wash and scrub. Hooray for clean hands today. That's a fun song. So we sing it twice while scrubbing all over. That's the trick. After you've scrubbed thoroughly, you rinse all the soap and bubbles away. Our human friends will rinse with more clean water. Ta-da! Now you have super clean, germ-free hands. We're ready for a delicious snack. Yum, yum, yum! That was delicious. Well, friends, remember we must first clean up our play space, and then we clean ourselves before we eat. Being clean and tidy is a great way to be kind to yourself and everyone around you. Our ocean home is all set, and our toys are neatly in place. We're ready for another fun day tomorrow. Thanks for joining us on our cleaning adventure today. Remember to always clean up your toys and wash your hands. It keeps you healthy and happy. Friends, see you next time for more underwater adventures. Bye-bye.